Hey, I'm out here with Joe, and we just completed a generator transfer switch installation. Joe, what do you think about your generator hookup so far?
I was worried about it at first, but after I called Small Jobs Electric, they assured me everything was going to be just fine, and they were going to answer all my questions about the generator, how to hook it up to the house and get started, and everything is so much simpler than I ever would have thought it to be. And because we have a dual fuel unit here, it gives you a lot more flexibility whenever you are in a crunch and you need power to your home.
Yeah, for sure. And Joe, what do you think about the way? How is it pretty easy to use the transfer switch?
Very, very easy. It's completely completed, and all you do is you take one cord, as you see down here, and you plug it into the switch that was provided. And then all you do is you do 2 or 3 more movements here to open or shut off the home and allow the power to come into the home. And then, as you can see, this slides up. And then you just turn this on to allow the power to be received by the home.
Yeah.
And then it's really simple to shut it up, shut it off. Just go this exact backward step, shut down, lift up, and power back on your home with your regular power unit.
That's awesome, Joe. And you're not even an electrician, right?
No, definitely not an electrician. My wife wouldn't let me do that stuff.
So if you need a transfer switch installed at your house, make sure you give Small Jobs Electric a call. And we want to thank Joe here for doing an impromptu to our video for the generator transfer switch install.
Great.
Thanks a lot.
Get it done early.
Appreciate it a lot, Joe.
Thanks
Appreciate it.
Thanks a lot, Nathaniel. You did a great job.